Good morning, everyone, and welcome to sunny Lakewood Ranch, Florida.
Today, we're on a mission for donuts, and you might see a trailer right behind us, and those are some of our favorite donuts in town, right here. And we're gonna go show you why.
Let's go do this. I can't believe that we got here this morning and there isn't a line like all the way down this way, because usually there is a line that can take anywhere from like 30 minutes to an hour to get your Peachey's donuts.
Yeah, usually it's like starts here and it goes all the way down to where my truck is, way down there.
All right, what are we waiting for? It's time. Let's go get our Peachey's donuts. Toot, toot, toot.
So you guys can't smell this right now, but you get within about 20, 30 feet of this trailer and you can just smell the donuts. It is unbelievable. I wish you guys could smell. I wish there was smell-o-vision on YouTube. Maybe that's an update coming. A little history about Peachey's Baking Company. It actually started out back in 2007 as the Amish Baking Company. So they've got like kind of that Amish baking like influence. They started out in a tent and then they went to a trailer, which I think is what you see now. I know they've also got a truck. And what's really exciting is they've got a location in the landings down in Sarasota off of 41. So eventually they became Peachey's Baking Company, formerly the Amish Baking Company, and they have got some of the best tasting donuts and pretzels when they have them in this area.
There's no one donut when you come to Peachey's, okay? You can't just get one donut. You either get the deal, the box, or the dozen. They melt in your mouth. I'm so excited. I can't even wait.
So let's quit talking. Let's show them.
Check them out. You can see all the icing falling right into that tray. We are definitely gonna get one of these little babies right here. This is their
I don't see any little
regular donut. So we're gonna do the deal and then we'll do the fancy donut, which is their ganache donut today. Chocolate ganache. Thank you. Bye. Look what I've got here.
That's their chocolate ganache?
Yes, this is one of their fancy donuts. So they have weekly or daily fancy donuts is what they call them. So that, like I've seen snickerdoodle, chocolate ganache, and then during the seasons, like they'll do a pumpkin or something like that.
So where do you want to go eat these? That's the most important question.
If you can't make it to Lakewood Ranch, Florida, don't worry, because Peachey's Donut does have their store location, as we mentioned, in Sarasota, but they also travel to fairs throughout the East Coast of the United States. So they start here in Florida with the fairs around here, Manatee County Fair, then the State Fair, and then the Strawberry Festival. And then they'll make their way up the coast to North Carolina, New York, and Minnesota. But they always end up back here in Sarasota.
Donuts and coffee.
We found a nice place to enjoy our donuts. We're right here in Fort Hammer Park, right on the Manatee River behind us. Apparently there's trains too. But we're gonna enjoy our donuts here. It's a beautiful day. It's a warmer, sunny day, but a great day for donuts right here.
There's just something about Peachey's donuts. They are so light and fluffy. Look at that. Perfectly iced. I mean, the sweetness is just absolutely perfection on these. It's not too much, it's not too little. It's perfect. It's got a little bit of that crunch.
Just like Melissa said, these are a treat. And we hold these donuts up in very high regard. You might have seen one of our other videos we did out in Los Angeles at Randy's Donut, the world famous place with the giant donut on the roof. These and Randy's, would you even compare them?
That's a tough one. That's for a classic glazed donut. I'm sorry, but you can't get better than Peachey's donuts. Like I love donuts. Like, I mean, I've had donuts everywhere.
Well, look at your shirt.
And yes, peace, love, and donuts. I will say that Peachey's is like the best glazed donut. It's the one that we compare like other donuts to. And I think the closest thing to it would be like a hot Krispy Kreme donut, like one right off the conveyor belt, but it's not even.
It's not in the same category because, you know, Krispy Kreme, they're made in an assembly line, they're made in a factory.
Yeah.
You go to the trailer over there that we were just at, and they're rolling the dough out. They're doing everything by hand. So it's made like in the old school, like with the old school Amish techniques.
Yep.
And there is no substitute. I'm sorry, there is no substitute for a Peachey's donut. Randy's Donuts comes close, but comparing glazed to glazed, like you said,
yeah,
I think Peachey's Donuts is probably the best glazed donut I've ever eaten.
Yes. I'm telling you right now, this like classic glazed donut, there is no other that can come close to Peachey's.
If you live in the Sarasota, Bradenton, Venice area, or you're visiting here, make sure that you check out Peachey's because you will not be disappointed. And speaking about not being disappointed, look at the chocolate ganache donut.
You guys.
That's the specialty donut. She's trying to pull it out of the case here.
There's no way this is not going to be messy.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this thing.
Man.
You can see the icing on the back.
Oh my
Look at
goodness.
this. Look at this chocolate ganache. Amish chocolate ganache donut.
I'm going to get a napkin ready for you. Need help?
Oh no.
I remember the first time I took a bite out of a spare tire.
Oh my gosh. That's
Wow.
so good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's falling.
Here, take this. Oh my god. This thing is crazy. I mean, all right, I'm gonna take a bite of this chocolate ganache one here. So it's got. I won't talk with my mouth full. Hold on.
While he's doing that, shout out to our local other favorite restaurant, the Granary in the Lakewood Ranch area, for the iced vanilla latte to complement our donuts.
So the chocolate flavor on that donut, the chocolate flavor is really good. It's not like your chocolate icing flavor you get on like a Dunkin' Donut or something like that. It's like you can tell it's like a homemade chocolate. It's
Yes.
very, very good. It's not overpowering.
No.
But it is a great complement to that spongy, flaky, chewy, airy, stretchy donut.
You can tell. You know how you go to donut shops and it's like a hard like frosting? Like this is like a very nice ganache.
Okay, we moved locations. Our camera actually overheated when we were down by the water. So we had to stop recording and come over here so we can finish what's left of our glazed. Watch my thumb. Oh my God, you got it.
In all fairness, I have to do that because I don't know if I'll get my fair share.
Touche.
Hold on, there's a story here. Just a couple days ago, I ordered some chocolate chip cookies from one of our neighbors that does like the cottage food thing here in Florida. And we were on the last one. I was like, can you please just leave me a little bite? Like I have to ask this because otherwise I won't get one. So the next morning we wake up and I go to get the chocolate chip cookie and it was literally a little bite like that big, like that tiny. And I just looked at him and was like, are you kidding me?
She said a little bite. I left her exactly a little bite. If she wanted a quarter cookie, she should have said, can you leave me a quarter of the cookie? I mean, right?
Okay.
What do you guys think of that? Let us know in the comments. I'm gonna get hate because I ate all your cookie.
I mean, at least when I ate your entire White Castle burger, I went and got you another one.
Are you serious? One thing we mentioned earlier that we didn't get to show you today was Peachey's pretzels. So it sounds like they didn't have pretzels at all in their food truck this season, right?
It was very sad.
Yeah, because it's a good combination of sweet and savory, but they did say they had their pretzels available at their location down in the Landings in Sarasota.
These pretzels are huge again. I mean, they're like gigantic and they're hot and they roll them right there just like the donuts. And they are so good.
What they are to donuts, they are to pretzels too. Probably one of the best soft-baked pretzels that I've ever had too.
They are really good though. I would say, oh, you got a little chocolate there.
Uh-oh. Save it for later.
Oh, you still have chocolate.
Oh my gosh, really? Where?
There.
I can't see it. The
Let me
screen's too
see.
small.
It's still on your lip, like right
Oh, it's
there.
up here. Am I good? Am I all clear now? Am I
good.
Am I good? Face
Take 'em
face
nowhere.
check.
Can't take it nowhere.
Thanks a latte.
That was good. Thank you for joining us on our donut adventure.
We hope you've enjoyed, and we hope you'll try out Peachey's Donuts if you live here or you're going to be vacationing here in the area. But before we sign off, do not forget, every meal is a memory.
And every trip is a story. And that's because they're just that good. Oh my goodness.
You might have seen one on our. I can't even talk. This donut made me stub my tongue.
Why do I feel like there's a bug on me?
Probably because there is.